Onion syrup for cough and chest congestion. Got a stubborn cough or tight chest? This old school syrup actually works, and it's just onion and honey. Onion syrup helps loosen mucus, calm dry coughs, and soothe sore throats. Here's how to make it. First, chop up 1 onion. Then add 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Let it sit overnight in a covered jar. The next day, take 1 teaspoon every 3 to 4 hours when sick. It's simple, natural, and way more soothing than store-bought cough syrup. Save this, or get your own home doctor book from Bio for flu season. Your future self will thank you.